Good afternoon, students. So today we see formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. Okay. So here the problem is form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary function f given f of x square plus 2yz comma y square plus 2zx equal to 0. Here the explicit form of the function is not given, right? Just it is given that f of x square plus 2yz comma y square plus 2zx equal to 0. Okay, so now in this case, how to eliminate the function f? So here what we assume, let u is equal to the first term, that is x square plus 2yz. Okay, let us assume that u is equal to x square plus 2yz. And similarly, v is equal to the next term, that is this one, y square plus 2zx. v is equal to y square plus 2zx. Okay. So now we use Jacobian formula. Jacobian, already you have studied Jacobian in your second semester, I think, right? So functions of more than one variable, in that you have studied the Jacobian. So here first we find the Jacobian of uv with respect to yz. So here dou of uv by dou comma yz. So this is known as Jacobian of uv with respect to yz, and it is denoted by p. Okay, so which is equal to, how to find the Jacobian of uv with respect to yz? So we put the determinant, and in the first row the elements are dou u by dou y, and second element is dou u by dou z. Next, in the second row, dou v by dou y, then dou v by dou z. Okay, which is equal to. Next, u is given. So from this, calculate dou u by dou y. That means differentiate u partially with respect to y, keeping x and z as constant. So you will get 2z. So dou u by dou y, 2z. Similarly, differentiate u partially with respect to z, keeping x and y as constant. So this differentiation of this is 0, and here 2z means 2y is constant, you will get that is 2y. So therefore, and similarly dou v by dou y and dou v by dou z, which is equal to, now we will get, put the determinant, then dou u by dou y means 2z, dou u by dou z is 2y. Similarly dou v by dou y, when you find, you will get 2y, and dou v by dou z is also 2x. So which is equal to, now expand this, so just multiply these two minus these two, which gives 4 into zx minus y square. So this is p you obtain. Next, find q. So q means it is a Jacobian of uv with respect to zx. So in this case, we again write the determinant. In the first row, dou u by dou z, dou u by dou x. In the second row, dou u by dou z, dou u by dou x. So same, find out the dou u by dou z by differentiating u with respect to z. Then find dou u by dou x. Okay. Then find dou u by dou z and dou u by dou x. Then substitute in the determinant and expand this. You will get 4 into yz minus x square. Similarly, third Jacobian you will find, that is r is equal to, so Jacobian of dou uv by dou xy. So which is equal to, again put the determinant, and its Jacobian is given by dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou u by dou y. Then find out all the derivatives. Then you will get 2x, 2z, 2z, 2y. Expand this, 4 into x minus y, xy minus z square, you will get. Next, after obtaining all p, q, r, then the remaining is very simple. Just substitute all these p, q, r in the formula, that is p plus q is equal to r. That's all. So this is the formula. In this case, capital P you have found, capital P is equal to 4 into zx minus y square. Then small p as it is, you write small p as it is only. Okay, so because small p is nothing but dou z by dou x, and small q is nothing but dou z by dou y. So therefore you write small p and small q as it is. Capital P, capital Q already you found, and r is also r also you have found, then substitute those values. So we will get 4 into zx minus y square into p plus 4 into yz minus x square into q equal to 4 into xy minus z square. So this is the required partial differential equation for the given problem. Okay. In the same way, we solved the second problem. Now see here, this is again given. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary function f from the equation f of x plus y plus z comma xy plus z square equal to 0. Again, as you did in the last problem, same. So first keep the first one, that is u is equal to x plus y plus z, and take the second one, v is equal to xy plus z square. Then after finding this, find the Jacobian of uv with respect to yz, which is nothing but p. Put the determinant, write all the elements, find out all the derivatives, then you will get 1 x 2z, then expand this, you will get 2z minus x. Similarly, you find q, dou uv by dou z x, Jacobian of uv with respect to zx. You put the determinant. The first row is dou u by dou z, second row dou u by dou x, then second row is dou u by dou z and dou u by dou x. Next, find out the partial derivatives, then substitute here, you will get 1 2zy, expand this, you will get y minus 2z. Similarly, you find r, then you will get x minus y. So therefore, the corresponding PD is obtained by substituting all the values of P, Q, R in the formula PP plus QQ is equal to R. Just substitute that and you will get the answer. So this is the required partial differential equation. Next, similarly here, form the partial differential equation from the equation phi of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square minus z square equal to 0. Now here again you substitute the same, u is equal to x plus y plus z, v is equal to x square plus y square plus minus z square. Again you find the same thing, p, Jacobian of uv with respect to yz. So this is the Jacobian, that is p. Similarly you find q, that is the Jacobian of uv with respect to zx, and this is 2 into x plus z. Next, similarly find r, you will get 2 into y minus x. After finding all the values of p, q, r, just substitute the values of p, q, r in the equation. pp plus qq is equal to r, and this is the required partial differential equation. Okay, similarly here, again one more problem here. So form part PDE by form the equation f of x square plus y square comma z minus xy equal to 0. Okay, again you substitute here, u is equal to x square plus y square, v is equal to z minus xy. Then you will find Jacobian of uv with respect to yz, p. So then you find all the partial derivatives, that is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou. First you find all the partial derivatives. So whatever we need here. Okay. So dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou z. Next, all these you find the derivatives, and then substitute all these one by one. So you will get p as 2y, q is equal to minus 2x, and r is equal to 2 minus 2x square plus 2y square. Okay. Next, after finding all the derivatives, that is Jacobians, PQR, substitute all the values of PQR in this equation. PP plus QQ is equal to R, so which gives the corresponding partial differential equation. Okay, so this is how we solve or how we find the partial differential equation, or how we form the partial differential equation when the explicit function is not given. Okay, so up to this I will finish this class and continue in the next class. Thank you.